If you're a web developer, agency owner, or freelancer managing multiple websites, or planning to start a reseller hosting business, knowing how to create cPanel accounts in WHM is a must. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. You'll learn what WHM is, how to set it up, and how to create custom hosting packages for clients using cPanel. Plus, I'll show you how Verpex makes this process faster and easier with their optimized reseller hosting plans. Let's get into it. What is WHM and why you need it? Before jumping into the tutorial, let's quickly understand what WHM and cPanel are and how they work together. WHM, Web Host Manager, is the admin panel used by hosting providers and resellers to manage multiple cPanel accounts. cPanel is the control panel used by end users, your clients, to manage their website, upload files, set up emails, install WordPress, manage databases, and more. Think of WHM as the master control. It lets you create and suspend accounts, set resource limits like disk space and bandwidth, manage DNS and email, install SSL certificates, and control access to every cPanel under your account. If you plan to host websites for others, WHM is your go-to tool. And Verpex gives you full access to WHM on every reseller plan, plus free SSL, daily backups, and Softaculous auto installer included by default. Prerequisites: what you need first. Before creating a cPanel account in WHM, make sure you have an active WHM account. You'll get this when you sign up for Verpex Reseller or Managed VPS hosting. A domain name. This will be tied to the cPanel account you're creating. At least one hosting package. WHM assigns packages that define limits for each cPanel account, like how much disk space or bandwidth they can use. If you haven't created a package yet, don't worry, I'll show you how in the next step. Step-by-step setup. Log into WHM. Access your WHM at https and enter your credentials. Open Create a new account. Use the search bar in WHM or navigate to Account Functions. Create a new account. Fill in account details. Enter the domain name. Adjust the auto-generated username if needed. Generate a secure password. Provide account owner's email. Assign a hosting package. Choose a predefined package or create one via packages. Add a package. Adjust optional settings. You can customize DNS records, mail routing, cPanel theme, and locale settings. Usually defaults work fine. Enable/disable cPanel features. WHM lets you switch features like CGI, shell access, web disk, or Softaculous. Click Create. WHM processes the request and shows a confirmation screen once the account is created. Verify and manage the new account. After creation, log into the new cPanel via list accounts in WHM or directly at https://domain 2083. Verify domain, email, databases, and features work. Tips and troubleshooting. If you run into quota errors, make sure your hosting package resources are sufficient. Adjust via packages. Edit a package. If shell access is required, enable it in WHM under Manage Shell Access or Feature Manager. Choose between jailed or normal shell. For reseller billing automation and provisioning, link WHM to a platform like WHMCS. Why Verpex makes it easy? Verpex's reseller hosting packages start at just $11.99 per month and include WHM, cPanel, Softaculous, Lightspeed, free SSL, white label options, and worldwide server locations. Their automated tools mean you can start hosting clients today, backed by fast support, strong uptime, and enterprise-grade features. Creating cPanel accounts in WHM is straightforward if you have the right tools and hosting provider. If you want a reliable, feature-packed reseller hosting platform to launch or scale your business, check out Verpex Reseller Plans today. Hit like if this video helped you, subscribe for more hosting tutorials, and drop a comment with your top hosting tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.